In this video, I will guide you through the setup and use of your uniLUX LED headlight system. Begin by sliding the O-rings onto either temple arm of your loops. Secure the inline switch to the frame with the O-rings. Next, attach your headlight to the mount and plug it in. Finally, plug in the uniLUX battery. Control your uniLUX system with the inline switch on the control cable. Press and release to power on or off, and hold to cycle brightness options. Check the charge level of the uniLUX battery by pressing the black button located on the bottom of the battery. Charge uniLUX with the included USB charger. Use the included uniLUX magnets to place your battery. uniLUX is typically worn on the collar or lapel. Disassemble and store when not in use. Clean regularly. Do not leave the battery plugged in when it is fully charged. Only charge for a maximum of 2.5 hours at a time. Thank you for choosing Lumitent.